Hey friends, if you wish to force a hard or full shutdown in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I'll explain you what it means. It basically means shutting it down completely and disabling the fast startup option while shutting it down. So when you try starting it again, it will be a cold boot. Okay, it will be booting it from the ab initio. Now it's very easy. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out. Now before you click on shutdown, press the shift key, and while pressing the shift key, press shutdown. Click on shutdown. Okay, so this is what you have to do: shift key plus shut down. This is how you can perform a full hard or a full shutdown on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.